Have you ever replayed the same memory over and over in your mind? What if writing it down could help you understand it instead of carrying it forever? Today you will learn how journaling helps you process memories while learning useful English vocabulary and phrases. Let's begin. Our memories shape who we become. Some memories make us smile, others stay with us because they were painful or confusing. Ignoring those memories does not make them disappear. Writing about them helps your mind organize your thoughts and emotions. Journaling is not about writing perfect English, it is about expressing yourself honestly. When you describe what happened, how you felt, and what you learned, your brain begins to understand the experience differently. Now let's learn our first useful word. Word 1, reflect meaning. To think carefully about an experience or situation. Example: every Sunday, I reflect on my week and write in my journal. When you write regularly, you begin noticing patterns. You may discover what makes you happy. You may also notice what causes stress or anxiety. Awareness is the first step toward positive change. Word 2, healing meaning. The process of becoming emotionally or mentally stronger after a difficult experience. Example: writing every night became part of her healing journey. Your journal becomes a safe place. There is no judgment, no pressure, no audience, only your thoughts. As you continue writing, you become more confident in expressing yourself in English as well. Word 3, gratitude, meaning the feeling of being thankful. Example: writing 3 things I am grateful for helps me start each day positively. Journaling is also a great way to improve your English vocabulary. Instead of memorizing random words, you learn words that describe your real life. That makes them easier to remember. Now let's learn some useful English phrases. Phrase 1, let it go, meaning stop holding on to negative feelings. Example: writing about the mistake helped me let it go. Not every memory needs to control your future. Some memories are lessons, others become reminders of your strength. Phrase 2, turn the page, meaning move on from the past and start a new chapter. Example: after accepting what happened, she decided to turn the page. Every journal entry is one step forward. You do not need to write pages every day. Even a few honest sentences can change the way you think. Phrase 3, learn from the past, meaning use previous experiences to make better decisions. Example: successful people learn from the past instead of living in it. The goal of journaling is not to forget your memories. The goal is to understand them. Your past becomes meaningful when it helps you grow. Start with 1 page today. Your future self will thank you. If you enjoy learning English through meaningful life topics, subscribe to Read Up Daily on YouTube. Follow Read Up Daily on Facebook for daily English vocabulary, journaling ideas, and reading practice.